Still paying for Amazon Prime even though you barely use it? If you're ready to cancel, don't worry, it only takes a couple of minutes, but there's one thing you really need to watch out for. First, open the Amazon website or app and sign into your account. Go to your account section and find Prime Membership. Now look for Manage Membership or Update, Cancel, and more, depending on your device. Tap End Membership. Amazon may show you a few offers or reminders trying to convince you to stay. If you're sure you want to cancel, keep selecting Continue to Cancel until you reach the final confirmation screen. And this part is important. Don't just close the page after starting the cancellation. Make sure Amazon actually confirms that your membership has been canceled. Also, before canceling, check your renewal date. In most cases, you can continue using your Prime benefits until the end of your current billing period. And if you were recently charged, check Amazon's refund terms. Depending on whether you've used Prime benefits during the current period, you may or may not qualify for a refund. So, if you don't use Prime enough to justify the cost, go through these steps and make sure you see that final cancellation confirmation. That's it. You've successfully canceled Amazon Prime.